We need to make sure we're purchasing as we should be and supporting the growers and farmers. So we cover 9 catered locations within the All Wales Catering Contract Service, and throughout the service we try and use as much fair trade products as we can, as well as Welsh products. All tea, all coffee is fair trade, our bananas are fair trade. We've got a full range of retail items such as biscuits, cookies. Our orange juice and apple juice is both Welsh and fair trade, so there's a lot going on there, and it's, we want to keep that growing. You need to get behind it. You've got to want to push the right direction. It's easy to just order your run-of-the-mill sugar, bananas, but for us we've made a commitment with Cwmpasan Welsh Government, and my job is to make sure we stick to that and we follow it. So, and it's easy once you get in that mindset. We've all got kids, children, coming behind us, and we need to look after them. The farmers and growers abroad, they need the support of us in developing countries. So if we support them, they will grow, and it's good for all of us. I think it's important that all public bodies look at their procurement and their purchasing to support fair trade and other, to make sure they're globally responsibly purchasing and protect future generations.